Well, hi there. Welcome back. Dan again from CleanGuru. So today, cleaning business pricing. It's a popular topic. It's an important topic. How do you price the jobs that you want to bid on? So, you can see a lot online on Facebook groups and social media things. But the thing I want to point out today are two important things. Number one is time, and number two is the concept of profitable yet competitive. So first of all, time. Briefly, I just wanted to say that remember how important labor hours are. In this business, like a lot of other service-intensive businesses, it's all about hours, labor, time. And you want to keep that in mind because it's easy sometimes. I'll even see online someone talk about, well, they wanted $1,500 or they're a buyer at $2,000 or $500. I even heard someone say once, well, I'm just going to land it and I'll figure out how to make money, afterwards. Boy, that kind of bothered me because, the key is that you want to be able to provide a good service to meet the expectations of what the building owner needs. Now, they may not need this. We need to find out what it is that they really need. And then to figure out how long it will take our people, or ourselves included, to do that work. Why? Because it's the biggest component part of figuring out then our expenses and our profit, overhead and profit, and then ultimately price. So just keep in mind that never let go of that sense, that important sense of figuring out time going into the job. If you do that and you land a job, at least you'll have a lot of confidence too, saying, I know what's going into this. We can confidently handle this job. Our cleaners have enough time to do the work, and based on that, we should be fine. The second thing goes right into that, and that is pricing profitable yet competitive. Again, sometimes I've read folks say, we're the most expensive, or we really are premier and we charge an awful lot. There's nothing wrong with being the premier provider. There's nothing wrong with being charged a very healthy hourly rate. But yet, my sense is that you want to grow your company to be scalable, not just do a few outlying things like that. You want to have lots of jobs. Well, to do that, you want to, we believe, price maybe on the higher end of competitive, but not off the charts, because that's not even consistent with really the work that needs to be done. And frankly, it sends a lack of trust. The idea isn't to try to make the absolute most amount of money you can make off of any customer. The idea is to make a good profit on lots and lots of customers who like being your customers, who trust you, right? So the idea of time is important because then they know you're going to be doing the work, and it gives you an idea that you're going to make profit because you're going to know the expenses going in. And again, profitable yet competitive is a good trust also, because they know you need to make money, but they don't want to be taken advantage of. Two important ideas when it comes to cleaning business pricing. Till next time, remember, you can do this. You really can.